Hi guys!
Hi.
Hi. So we went up to Lesmurdie Falls, which is, do you want to tell them where it is?
Yeah, it's east, south, inland a little bit of Perth, Western Australia.
Yeah, so we highly recommend you give it a visit. It is a really good hike, beautiful views of the city and a spectacular waterfall.
Yeah, we had a nice walk down the path, didn't we? But how did we get back?
Of the waterfall.
We climbed the waterfall, didn't we?
Yeah, so when we were at the foot of the waterfall, the kids seen other kids and families walking up the waterfall. We spoke to a few people and they said it's quite common for people to walk back up the waterfall, especially this time of the year when it's very dry. We only had a little bit of water on the waterfall. But in the winter it does get quite full, so it's not recommended. Yeah?
Yeah.
And
So,
did you enjoy it? Did you have fun? Yeah?
so see how we got on?
Yeah.
Hi. Today we are
Lesmurdie Falls.
and we're going on a green path and there's little arrows with feet on, aren't there, Cody?
Yeah, there's these little arrows well, which will tell us
follow the
where to go. So we can follow these little green arrows. So then we get to our right destination.
And there's the green arrow.
No, it's an orange thing.
Oh, it's an orange sign. Cody.
Right, go on,
So Mummy
cross the bridge.
cross the bridge.
You can still go across the bridge and come back. Go. Run!
Cody, this is the viewpoint path.
Come on.
Yeah.
Watch out for the people.
Let's do it one side.
And then Diana had to, like she, you know how she loves wearing her BRA,
Yeah.
right? And what she's going for.
This is beautiful. I'm gonna go all the way down that track. There's the second one. Then we go all the way down there. There's the river. Oh my god, look how far we have to walk. Is that still the path? The yellow path?
We're here already,
It's my birthday, I'm not going hiking.
Poppy! Good day, mate.
Can I bike?
What's this like? What do we think of this walk?
Long.
Long? Long?
Oh, it's only down there.
It's the
Joking.
shortest walk we've been on.
I know it is. This is going too fast.
Is it? You're too fast. We're only allowed to touch wood or stone on the way down. Is that right? Well, Cody's cheating.
Yeah. She's going. Bye.
That nearly fell. As you can see, Donna takes all the games seriously with the kids.
Dad, this is easy, this bit. You can go in that way.
I've already failed.
Dad's out.
Dad's out.
He lost. Thing is as well, when you fell, you pushed all of us.
No, that's unfair. Not
Good balance, isn't it? It's a good balance, Poppy.
I just think I fell because you weren't going quick enough. To be honest.
So when we got to the foot of the waterfall and we could see the other... What are you doing?
kid.
You're tired.
So So we could see the other people climbing the waterfall. Cody was very eager to give it a go, wasn't he?
Yeah.
He wanted to go desperately.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So Cody sometimes has a little bit of self-doubt, doesn't believe in himself. When we go to do something really adventurous, he gets very scared. So for us, we were like, oh, we need to give him this opportunity to prove to himself.
Yeah.
And what do you always say to Cody?
Good. Keep on trying.
Keep on trying. And what
Yeah.
else do you say?
I believe in you.
Yeah.
Yeah, but he was a little too adventurous this time, wasn't he? So
Yeah.
as you watch the video, you'll see us shouting, Cody, stop! Is that right?
Too far, Cody, wait!
Yeah.
Yeah, so check it out.
I waited.
Try and interview, look this way. Go left. Come, Cody, go left. Right. He doesn't listen.
Get inside the crack and just work the way.
Once you get over the crack, get your feet in, you can walk up. That's you. Go.
We're good now, yeah?
Next.
Am I going in the car?
You two sit down, please.
You alright?
Right, watch your feet on the water though, because that is slippy. Right, Tyler, you get up over the top. Take the quickest way back. Probably not the safest. Let's go.
Ready, guys?
Right, just get yourself up there for now.
No, well, Cody, don't go on your feet.
Sit down then.
Cody!
Sit. Cody, you need to sit back, darling.
Over there is probably the best.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking, just going across the river and up there.
Look at her. Look at the girl.
Give me your hand.
Ready? Ready? Go, go, go. You tell Dad's not been doing anything.
Hands. Ready? She's just going to pull us
You're
in.
meant to be sitting back. Come on. Well, just watch what you want to do. You video of it. Come on, Ty.
Hello, girls.
We're gonna make it.
That was like a Bear Grylls run now.
Yeah, bro.
Got one more waterfall to get up. Here we are, and hopefully the last part of our climb. There's Tyler, Cody and the girls, and here's the last waterfall. See if we get out.
Watch Dad.
Can't much sit in the kids are there.
I think.
Then we'll go the other way.
Okay, that's fine.
No.
No, you come back.
Wait, Cody, you need to stop going the way you think you're going to go.
Tyler, you're going to have to catch your brother.
You feel like you have to like shout at him to improve.
Stay on that way, Cody, right up. Get up and in that crack there. Cody, get in there. In there, that side. Yeah. Going on, Donna.
My turn.
Yeah. Maybe better off just getting a wet foot here, like just try to push up. You know what I mean? We're gonna, man. Done it, innit? Because I can't hold you, Donna. We're both gonna go.
Well, maybe once your feet are wet with that green stuff on it. It's slippy.
Very slippy, yeah.
Right, get yourself off. Oh no, yeah. We need to go up there. Come on. Cody down? Cody. There, puppy.
Cody.
Cody, look where you're going, honestly. Come here.
There you go.
Can you get up in the head, pup? Come on, through up this next bit, we can't do that. Right, just get yourself up a bit higher. Come on then, quick, quick. What did you think of our walk today?
Good. Good?
Was it?
I thought you meant like miles.
Was it exciting?
Yeah.
I thought you meant like 100 miles, 100 miles.
No, well it was meant to be, but we put it short. We went the adventurous route, didn't we? Yeah. So was it exciting and unexpected?
Yes.
Yes. Cool. What do you
Also
think, Tom?
very spiky.
Are you
I'm
ready for
worn
a cup
out.
of tea?
Cup of tea. Glass of
Tea.
wine.